Good morning, dear students. Today we'll learn to draw this beautiful pattern using Python programming language. So in Python programming language, we use a built-in module library which is called as Turtle. So today we'll learn how to draw this beautiful returns. For that, we are going to use the software which is Python IDLE to draw this particular pattern. So we'll see here how we can draw taking the help of this beautiful design. So first of all, what I need to do, first of all, I need to import the library which is called as Turtle itself. To import it, I use a command import turtle. This is a command I write. In the next line which I write is, since I want to create a turtle object, so I have to take a variable. Let's say I'm naming it as t, then assignment operator, and then using the name of the library which I've imported, I'll use the function which is called as turtle. So with the help of this turtle function, I create the cursor object, turtle object. Next task is I would like to draw a circle. You can see that in the image pattern given as here, you can see that this pattern is drawn using different colors of circles, basically the rainbow colors, 7 colors of rainbow. So to generate this pattern, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take first of all the turtle cursor, that is I'm going to write turtle dot, and then first of all I'll decide what will be my background color. So to make the background color as black, what I need to do, I have to use one function called as bg color, and inside this bg function I need to pass the color as the value. Okay, so here since I want to put the background as black, so you'll see the background, if I run this particular piece of code, just one more line let me include here. Just if I write turtle.main loop, you could see the background will be completely black. Here let me run this piece of code. Let me name this program as turtle demo. Yeah, you need to give, before running this code, you need to save this particular file. Okay, so you see a background is generated which is black color. If I don't put this particular code, you will see here, like if I make this this line as comment, how do I give comment? By putting a hash. So if I put a hash, you'll see that the background which I give here will not be black anymore. It will be completely white. Okay, so this is the if I want to give any other background color, I can decide so. So here what I want, that according to this picture you see here, my background is black, so I would like to give the background color. Okay, next thing is that if I have to draw anything, what I'll do, I need to give the pen size. What would be the particular size of the pen? So for that also I have a function called as pen size. So again I use this turtle, and then I'll write pen size. Okay, and let me give the size of the pen equal to 3. Okay, that also I am passing as an argument. Next thing that I have to decide the speed with which it will be drawing. So what I'll write here, I'll write turtle dot speed. Speed is again a function. Here I am giving a speed as 0. So full speed, 0 here means full speed. If I am giving increasing value, the speed will go on decreasing. Next thing, what I want to do, I will take a for loop. What is the use of for loop here? That if you want to repeat any task multiple times, so we take the help of for loop. So simply I'll write for I in, I'm going to write here for I in range. Okay, so I have a function called as range. Okay, range, and I would like to run this as 6 times. Why 6 times? See, basically what I'll do, first I'll draw the circles by little differences. 7 circles will be plotted. So this activity, this group of 7 circles, I want to plot it 6 times so that I get a particular pattern. For that I'm doing, and then I'm going to use a semicolon. Okay, once I have created the semicolon, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one more loop. Okay, inside this for loop. So for Then I'm going to use a variable colors for colors in, and then I'm going to use a square bracket which simply represents in Python list data type. Here I'm going to mention all these 7 colors. So we've got 7 colors of rainbow, like violet I have. The next color which is available is indigo, and the third color is blue. Okay, fourth color which I'll mention here is after blue is green. Then we have a color yellow. Okay, yellow, and then we have red. So you see the combination of 7 colors. Okay, this I'm inserting in the form of a list. Okay, then again semicolon I'm going to put here. Once I have put this semicolon, what is my task? That I have to print these colors. Okay, so how I'll print these colors? I'll write turtle dot color. Color here is a function and colors is a variable. So here inside this function color, I'm going to pass the variable colors. Okay, this is the next thing is that I need to draw a circle pattern. So for that we have a function called as circle. So turtle dot circle, I'll write circle, and what radius I would like to give. Let's say I would like to give the radius of this circle as 100. Once I have assigned this radius as 100, what I need to do, that I need to shift it. Once it plots one circle, I need to shift it by little either to the left or right. So to move that so that the next circle can be drawn, what function I have? I can choose the function called as left or right itself. These functions are available. So I'm going to use here the function called as left, and then by how many pixels? I want to shift it by 10 pixels. Okay, once this task is done, what is my thing? Okay, once I draw this, what I need to do? I need to stop my turtle. Turtle is simply a cursor, okay, which draws something. So here what I'll write? Turtle. I'll write here turtle dot, then I have a function hide turtle once drawing, after drawing. Okay, so this is the code here. Okay, so we'll once again go back here. First thing what we had here, import turtle, and then we created a cursor object. Then we put a background color, we decided the size of the pen, and the speed also we decided. Then we have taken a for loop, and then we are taking colors, and then we are filling it with colors, and then we are drawing a circle of radius 100 pixels, and then we are shifting each time. Okay, so let's see how a beautiful pattern is generated after running this particular piece of code. So to run this program, we'll go to the run menu, and then we'll click on run module, or we'll give a shortcut key, we'll click F5. So let's see what pattern is generated. Since we have done modification, it is asking us to save the code. So we'll click on save, and thus our program is ready to run. So you see a very beautiful pattern which is generated. So using this turtle built-in library, you can generate the different kinds of patterns. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video.